Hi, this is Simon. Today's snippet is marketing. So, what does your marketing plan look like? Do you have a marketing plan? How do you get the message out there? What do you do on a day-to-day basis? How important is networking to your marketing strategy? If you think about networking as a thing, how important is it to you to meet other people and to have other people introduce you to people that they know because they know, like, and trust you and trust what you do in your business on a day-to-day basis? So clearly varies across all types of businesses, but if you take a typical networking session, which is done on Zoom these days, of course, because of coronavirus and social distancing, then how many people can you meet during one of those sessions, have a conversation with, pitch your business, and have them know, like, and trust you sufficiently to pass that on to somebody else? Regular networking sessions with a regular group of people is about building trust and about building a business that can expand within the confines of that networking group that you're working with. So think really hard about what your marketing plan is and don't neglect networking as a key part of that, because I think it's fundamental. That's today's snippet. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks very much. I've been Simon Nelson.